dice with Marc Marquez.
Yeah, front row start here last year as well. Cal Crutchlow looked in really good form this weekend after the disappointment of Le Mans. He is a former podium finisher here when he rode for the Tech 3, a Yamaha. Full of fun as always, isn't he? You're never quite sure what's going on.
On the extra hard that wasn't available to everyone else.
Here we go, Cal.
Cal.
See, he's complaining about Lorenzo because there's a designated start area.
So
and
Lorenzo gone round again, yeah.
Lorenzo was in the wrong part to do the start basically, and Cal was complaining. It's not like Cal. He's normally quite a placid character.
I'll tell you what.
Happy-go-lucky.
Look at him and think of yourself this morning, please. All hands waving.
That was me in breakfast.
I need to go faster.
Faster than lightning.
I need to go faster.
Faster than bullet.
To go faster, I need to work harder. I need to keep driving to the finish where the glory begins. When I get the energy.
Still be a bit better now.
I'll have to ask my accountant about that.